Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have. So the question I have is regarding the question about Performance Max campaign. Hello, Ali. I'm considering trying to turn the option only bid for new customers in my Performance Max campaign and wanted to gather some insights from the community before I do so. Has anyone experimented with focusing their bidding solely on acquiring new customers in a Performance Max campaign? If so, what were your results? Do you recommend this approach? Were there any expected challenges or benefits you encountered? I appreciate any insights or recommendations you can share. Thank you for in advance. Okay, so even at Google, I'm showing you few of our customers who are using Performance Max campaign, and you can see the data over here. Sorry, I cannot show you further information, but you can see over here some of them are running the Performance Max campaign over here as well. So now let's moving on to the question on based on the experience and work me and my company did with them. And if you ask me regarding when they bid for new customers, okay, the Performance Max campaign is actually based on a new algorithm based technology which Google has introduced based on the AI, artificial intelligence data, and how they capture information. And based on that data, if you ask me, when we tried out for this scenario, we frankly got good results. So because we got good results, which is why do you recommend this approach? Yes, I do recommend this. Were there any expected, unexpected challenges or benefits encountered? Yeah, you have to be patient because you know the Google is going to try various things and various algorithmic change on your account to figure out what kind of an audience is exactly working for you. So you need to be patient and you need to give them few days before you can start seeing good results. Okay, but for another client, I started got results within 48 hours, so that was another case study. But for majority you have to be patient to see start seeing results. So I hope it answers your question and answers your question regarding Performance Max and for bidding for new customers. So, in case if you want to see questions like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you need a Google ads, Facebook ads, jumping ads, or SEO or web development services or management services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach to us and work with us. And if you have any questions related to this question, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.